It's the 17th of September, and the day begins, well, maybe with a little hope of, well, if not fair weather, maybe just not dreadful weather all day long of, an inch of rain. That's a little sobering in that direction. But it's not raining right now over here. I mean, I don't know if it's coming through in the video or not. Back behind me, it's mostly blue sky. Well, we'll see how it works out today. It's supposed to be awful. Well, I've come out on this, I wouldn't even call it a pass or saddle or anything, but a place where I can get some pretty good views. I think I'm looking in the direction of Glacier Peak. I don't know that that's Glacier Peak out there on the left, but who knows? I'm guessing that it's not. Well, been raining all day. There's wet and then there's Washington wet. I've come to conclude. So it's pretty chilly too. It's probably 40 degrees and raining all day.